is your roll number?
456.
Pass कर रहा है. Can you explain about elif else?
If statement, if for the conditional statements, if statement is used for the single conditions, we and the if statement is used for the 2 or 3 statements, and the else statement is used for the we can use to iterate the 3 conditions if else if and else. In the if conditions, we in if statement we use the if statement is used to check the multi conditional conditions. That means in syntax we can use if statement, or if the statement is wrong, we can go to the else if. We have so many else if statements, or otherwise we can use the else.
But this is not else if.
Yes.
In Java we are using else if. In Python we are using elif. Okay. Don't confuse it.